All right, here we are reporting on the successful completion of the Mesh Fund 12 proposal about sustain and maintain Mesh SDK. The proposal started officially on September 2024 and was successfully completed as previewed in end of January 2025. We submitted a proposal on the Cardano ecosystem developers in Project Catalyst Fund 12 and had a total budget of 200,000 ADA for the proposal. What was the challenge mainly about? Was mainly about to support developers who contribute or develop open source technology, mainly who makes it easier for any developer on Cardano. Our proposal addressed this challenge mainly with two things. One is the maintenance of the Mesh open source repo, as well as our public Discord server. Quick intro on Mesh general, what's inside. If you don't know yet, Mesh is structured mainly three parts. We can say once it's about a bunch of helpful packages, it's about support to build your own apps, and also a real nice maintained smart contract library. Then for sure, plus a bunch of helpful guides and docs to help you through the whole journey. So the proposal rollout, each month we mainly tracked two APIs. One was the GitHub activity, one the Discord activity. And you saw that over the time of the proposal duration, in a very lively space, we can see that both the GitHub and the Discord was well maintained and definitely active. So if we want to measure success, we sum up all the numbers and we come on the GitHub activity in total on 394 commits on main and 1,481 commits to all branches. We saw a total of 75,000 additions and around 25,000 deletions. Speaks for very well and actively maintained this GitHub. On Discord, we saw that we had a total of 680 visitors and a total of 9,150 shared messages, which speaks to well-maintained and active Discord. And maybe the most important thing where we can measure success with Mesh is actually to say, if we build open source technology, is it as well used? Because if we would build a bunch of awesome stuff here, but nobody would use it, then we would have to question ourselves. In this regard, we are really happy to see a total of 591 dependencies from Cardano projects using Mesh. And also when we look on what kind of projects using it. When we scrolled through, we saw some quite well-known projects actually in the Cardano ecosystem which benefit from our code, using it for their own projects like Icon, Blink Labs, Empower, Jimbo Labs, Intersect, Masumi, Sedan Labs, Socials, Tokyo. This goes on, but we wanted to highlight a few here, which shows us already that there's a quite wide range of totally different projects actually, which work on very different areas, which use our tech stack. That's a great sign to see, oh cool, we do not only serve a very specific niche, but really the broader ecosystem. Another really nice special shout out here is happened actually at the end of January, where it was announced that Mesh SDK is now powered by IoT's Cardano SDK as well. And currently beta, hop over and give it a look. Then to the contributors, because Mesh Core has a total of 25 contributors who helped to build the stuff. So massive shout out to everybody there. Wouldn't have been possible to get where we are if you wouldn't have been, joining, engaging, contributing to everything what is available now. Maybe also another nice measurement of success what we can book here. Then, for the next steps of this proposal is we have a approved proposal from Project Catalyst Fund 13, where we continue to maintain and sustain Mesh. On this regard, we will make sure to always keep Mesh well maintained and for sure free for use to anybody. We will for sure check as well for enhancements and to further increase the easy usability. And finally, we also submitted a proposal at Intersect. It might actually be a much better fit for Mesh than Project Catalyst, which we see after anyway as a place for more innovative ideas, also for new projects coming in. And that's pretty much it. Thanks a lot. for listening in. Thanks a lot, everybody who voted for this proposal. Thanks also to the milestone reviewers. They've been pretty cool in this proposal as well. It was a really smooth, really nice one. So thanks for everybody who made this not only a really nice project, but also really nice proposal experience. That's it from our side. Thanks a lot. See you soon.